Everyone wants to know what I do as a stay-at-home wife, so spend the day with me. Let us see. First things first, I always start my morning off with a prayer. So I just recently started fostering kittens. These are my first pair. This is the brother, his name is Aladdin. His sister is somewhere around here, but they've been with me for 2 weeks and they'll stay with me up until they get adopted. Let's find Jasmine and go feed them. Everyone has eaten except for Mwah. The kittens have eaten, my husband has eaten. Now let us eat. Let Prika eat. So normally I like to have beef bacon with eggs, like pretty much protein packed meals are protein pancakes. Protein pancakes are my favorite. But today we're going to do acai. I already put protein yogurt and we're just gonna add granola and berries so we can keep it cute and keep it tight. All right? Look at that. Ooh, that's sexy, baby. My favorite thing to do in the morning is eat my breakfast over here. I love looking out the window and just getting my thoughts together. Why are you in there? What's him doing in there? So now for the fun part and my most favorite part, it is time to get ready, do my makeup. I mean, I already got dressed because I didn't want to think about an outfit on camera, but it is time to do my makeup so that we can film Feel Good Fridays. The topic is going to be juicy. It is pretty much going to be about how we limit God sometimes in our prayers and to remember that God is limitless. So ask big, think big. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna keep it fairly simple with the makeup today. I just wanna look bright and right because my posting time is at 8 p.m. so I just need to knock it out.
Wake up in the morning, feeling fine. Lipstick on and it's my time.
And a few minutes later,
God never runs out. His supply is limitless. It's endless. Okay, so now that I've filmed, I've prayed, it's time for dinner. I've low-key already prepped it. Right now, I'm just gonna add the sauce. These are halal nuggets, and I'm just gonna do sweet potato. I've already let it boil. So yeah, I'm just going to peel this off and marinate this, and then we're gonna eat. Okay, now that I got the sweet potato peeled, it's now on the stove and it's all buttered up, and then I'm going to add brown sugar. But for now, these wings, I love this honey sauce, so I'm just going to douse them in it and then broil them. Wow! Look how juicy that is. You just want to eat it right now. I know you want to eat that right now. But anyway, I'm going to put it in the oven to broil. I'll be back to show you guys the final results. We done it. Here's the food. I got my sweet potato. I caramelized it with butter and brown sugar and a little bit of honey. These are my honey halal chicken tenders. And this is my green tea that I made. And there's a little bit of sugar in here and honey to make it sweet because guess what, we were trying to get slim and thick. So yes, today has been a great day with you guys. I love you guys so much. And I'm about to go watch Love Island games. Yesterday had me on a cliffhanger with that Vegas game. So I'm about to go tune in. Bye for now.